What's going on, guys? So I do want to take a look at Tesla. This has been a little bit of a choppier week in the overall stock market. Tesla did finish up 1% on the day, just about $11.50. We did close at 10.57. We were as high as around 10.63 towards the end before we had that, last 10-20 minute pullback in the overall markets. One thing that I do want to kind of show you guys here is I kind of want to zoom out a little bit. I want to take a step back from, micro scalping and day trading and kind of look at the weekly time frame and kind of just relax a little bit as we come into the end of the week here and kind of get a clear sense on where potentially we could be heading with Tesla. So we know that we had this big gap up here into the run up of around $11 or $1,115. Okay. That was last week. We did have another push higher into the upper Bollinger Band here at around that 1140 area. So that's still going to be an area of concern that I'm going to be worried about as we come into that area for the second time, if and when we do get there. I do think that if we can clean out that 1150 supply zone, that potentially we will push into the 1200s. That's going to be a trade that you're going to want to be a part of, but it's going to need a little bit of time to set up. Now, if we kind of look at where we're standing right now, we did successfully backtest this linear regression line. This linear regression is going to act as a demand zone, and that price is right around that $1,000, 1015 area. You can see this is a clear channel that we've been trading in for quite some time, going back to last year. And you can see any time that we do lose this channel, that line is a little wonky. Anytime that we do lose this channel, Tesla does decide to come back and backtest the bottom of this range, trade sideways, and then push up to the top of the range. So if we're looking for clear direction and clear channels to trade, technically this is a first successful backtest of this channel. So what we would be looking for is for Tesla to hold going into next week and push off the bottom here, off that 1015 area, right? So 1015, around 1023 area that we came off of today. If we can successfully hold this area, Tesla will provide an opportunity for a trade back up into that $1,200 range. Now you can see when we have broken above the top of this channel, that's when we put in this high here of 1243. And each and every single other time on a weekly standpoint, every time we have broken above it, it has presented opportunities for good intra-week trading. Now, here's something that I want to look at to the downside. We do have the 5-day moving average on the weekly time frame rising. That did also cross the 20-day moving average. What I would like to continue to see is the price hold so this 10-day moving average can catch up. But if and when Tesla does lose 1017, that is going to be a clear short opportunity for you to, buy weekly put options, scalp this to the short side intraday, and anything below 1017 has a maximum potential for a weekly standpoint all the way down to $970. Guys, use this information to your advantage, trade accordingly, be safe, make sure you lock in profits when you have them. Join the Discord, that link is down in the description box below, and I will see you guys all on the next trading video.